My experience with Picture Perfect Cleaning has been amazing. I've met a lot of people and also got to learn a lot of things about the job and about myself as well.
I would say yes, Picture Perfect Cleaning has helped me with my personal dreams because it's given me a lot of life skills that I wouldn't learn if I was still living in Kelowna.
The most thing that I love for Picture Perfect Cleaning is the people, because we are as a family.
The best thing for me is I can deal with my schedule and take care of my family.
Picture Perfect Cleaning helped me to buy a house, and now I have a place with my family.
I'm helping my family in the Philippines. I have 3 nieces. I have to send them at school with the help from the PPC.
Recently, I started to lose hearing. They've been able to offer me different things for accessibility. The way that my leaders have treated me over the last 5 years speaks to how positive my experience has been with Picture Perfect Cleaning.
I started with a cleaner, and I was working for a year, and after that, they gave me a chance, and I became an operation manager.
Yes, I would recommend working with Picture Perfect Cleaning.
For those people who are hardworking and is capable to work.
I have a really good experience with them. There's very nice people and it's good management. Especially the owner and the owners is very best.
Best managers.
One of the best things working for Picture Perfect Cleaning is that you get to meet a lot of different people, hear a lot of stories, and also relate to those stories. It goes beyond just, meeting someone. It's like becoming family.
We have the best culture in the world in the janitorial industry, and I really believe that we are doing that. Not only in the janitorial industry, but I want to have the best culture in the world in any business that anyone has ever seen. And that is through many things. Through caring for you guys, being a family together, treating you guys with the utmost respect because you deserve it 100%, but also giving back to the community. The volunteer events that we do are amazing. The mustard seed, the drop-in center, the donations that we do. We donate about $25,000 a year to Home Space every year. And that's amazing, and we can only do that because of the work that you guys do. But the most important thing is that all of you care and all of you know. If we don't have the best culture, we need to make the best culture, because our mission for you is for it to be the best job you've ever had. If you can achieve your dreams and we can participate in that, that makes me happy. And I know it makes Aaron really happy too.
I would absolutely recommend working for PPC. The people that make up this company just create a culture that you would find nowhere else.